Oh, I kind of don't know this song, so hopefully I get it right. Because if I don't, everyone's going to give me hell tomorrow. So I hope I get it right. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Sup, Peter here. Welcome back to another, the same Thursday. I was going to say welcome back to another song. So, yeah, I'm going to sing a song called Thunder and Lightning by Dillon. You guys might know that. He's a YouTuber. He's, pretty cool. I watch some of his videos. He's also singing songs like, Thunder and Lightning, which we're going to sing now. So here it is. Sorry I don't know the words, because I just learnt it. It's time to party, we're gonna dance like nobody's home. Until the next level, get ready to go. You turn your cares away. That's right, that's cool, guess there's something we can do. We'll show you all the way. That's right, you know, that follow me, come in the storm with his energy. Come out and dance in the rain with me. Let's have the music as everyone sings. Let's make it boom like thunder and lightning. It's a movie night. And there's children running through the vibe. We carry your cares away. That's right, that's cool. Guess there's something we can do. I'll show you all the way. That's right, you know, that father comes in the storm with his energy. Come out and dance in the rain with me. Turn out the music as everyone sings. Let's make it boom like thunder and lightning. Let's make it boom like thunder and lightning. With energy. Come out and dance in the rain with me. Not the music as everyone sings. Make it boom like we're causing the storm with his energy. Come out and dance in the rain with me. Turn out the music as everyone sings. Let's make it boom like thunder and lightning. Let's make it boom like thunder and lightning. Let's make it boom like thunder and lightning. I guess there's another video. Leave a comment below. Let me know which song you want me to listen. Oh. Okay, there was a little bit extra at the end. I didn't realize. Oh yeah. I guess there's another video. Leave a comment below. Let me know which song you want me to see next. Leave a thumbs up. Love you all so much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on Sunday. But until then, peace. Remember what I said about my 100 subscriber special? Gangnam Style is what I'm gonna dance to. I keep saying that in some videos because some people come to the channel and they might see this video as a new one and it might be the first one they've seen. So that's why I keep saying it. So yeah, do all the good stuff like subscribing, leaving a thumbs up, leaving a comment. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on Sunday. But until then, peace.